Hi, this is Liam again, and today we're going to be doing the Half Windsor Knot. This guy right here, bang! The Half Windsor. So here's how we do it. Pop your collar, mine's already done. Grab your favorite tie, or one that they give you when you're filming videos. Align it right. When you've figured out your perfect length, you're going to finally cross the wider end over the narrow end. Bring the wide end around the back and then through the hole between your neck and the knot. Bring that on to the same side like so. Bring that end around the back and over to the front of the knot, like this. And then you're gonna make that little loop for the front of your tie. And then you're going to bring that wide end around the back again and then through between your collar and the knot. And you're gonna pull the wide end through the loop that you just made. Excuse me. And then the last step, just as always, is to tighten the knot and make sure that this one has a tendency to get a little wonky if you don't do it right the first time. So just make sure that it isn't. Pull your collar down, and if you have a button down collar on, you're gonna wanna button your collar down. Once you have it tightened up to your neck again, you're just gonna check it out. Boom, you have the Half Windsor Knot. Perfect. Again, this is Liam. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it at all helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, or leave a comment below with any help, tips, tricks. If you can figure out that I don't have shoes on right now or that I'm wearing shorts, please let us know. Also, if you want to learn how to tie more knots, please check out this playlist here. Unfortunately, I am still the star of them. Sorry. And remember, every day should feel this good.